How to delete Instacart account. So if you want to delete your Instacart account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Now you can go for the search bar and search for Instacart. And once you've searched, go for the first search, which is www.instacart.com, and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, you can go for the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. And here, if you scroll down, you will have Help Center under your support. Click on Help Center. And here you will have a search bar. Under that search bar, you can search for Delete Account. And once you've searched for Delete Account, here on the first, you will have Deleting Your Account. Click on that result and then scroll down. And here you will have a hyperlink. You can simply click on this here. And now you need to log into your account. So make sure to enter your email and your password, and then you can log into your account, or you can continue with your Google, Facebook, or your phone number. And once you log into your account, it will take you to privacy portal. So you can scroll down, and here it says that once you submit your request, you will receive an email within 24 hours asking you to confirm your request. If you don't receive your email within 24 hours, then please check your email's spam folder. So here you need to select your request type. You can click on Delete My Personal Information, or you can go for Access My Personal Information. So I'll be choosing Delete, and then you can enter your account information like your first and last name that you used with your Instacart, or your username, and then the email that you have used with your Instacart, and click on this box so that the information above is true and correct. And then you can click on Submit. And now an email has been sent to your email address. You can simply open up your mail, and you can receive your mail within 24 hours. So I have received the mail just now. You can simply click on Confirm Email. So if you click on Confirm Email, your request is confirmed. So that's it. That's how you delete your account. And now within 7 days, your account will be deleted permanently. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.